because I come from England, and I chose the Middle East and East Africa flags because both my close friends come from there. I went to Cyprus and I want to learn Irish.
I chose this textile because my family comes from Nigeria in East Africa. This is my flag. I chose this textile because my best friend comes from Afghanistan. This is my flag. I chose this textile because I really want to visit Scotland. This is my flag because it is where my favourite food comes from, which is spaghetti bolognese. This is my flag. I chose this textile because it is also where one of my friends come from.
My name's Deanna and I'm from HDB School. I chose this Portuguese flag because my mom speaks Portuguese. I chose this England flag because my friend's from England. I chose the Greek flag because I would like to come there someday. I chose the Chinese flag. Chinese flag because I would like to go there someday. And I chose I'd like to speak Chinese someday, and I'd choose the Italy flag because I like the food there.
Thank you very much.
My name's Rosa and I go to Balfour. My mum comes from Scotland and my dad comes from Sri Lanka. I chose these other ones, like Russia, because I like the pattern of the sticker, and Spain because I've been there and I really liked it there. I love Italian food, it's basically all I eat. I chose Ghana because I really want to go to Ghana.
My name's Bella, and I want to show my diversity flag. So this is Germany because my big sister's from Germany, and I have Australia because some of my friends are from Australia. And I have France because my grandparents are French. And the last one I think I'll take is Spain because my mum and my granny are Spanish.
Stop.
My name is Reese and I'm at SJB school, and I chose the design of the flag like this, and since we didn't have Philippines, I made it into the design of Philippines, and I chose Thailand over here because I've always wanted to go to Thailand, and there's a little bit of Scotland here because I wanted to always go to because I went to Scotland before, and I really like their food. And I also chose I also put all the red over here because in the Filipino flag they put all the red here and the blue here, and if the red is at the top, that symbolizes war, and we don't want that. I chose China over here because I really like their dancing and their food. Over here in Africa, some of my relatives live in Africa, and
You're Japanese in the corner?
Oh, Japanese. It's because I really like sushi.
Okay, thank you very much.
My name is Max and I'm from Balfour Primary School. I chose this flag. It's representing Nigeria because my mum was born in Nigeria. I have chosen this French flag because my auntie is French. This is meant to represent Holland because there was no Dutch design, and it represents. I've been to Holland and I have a very good friend who's from Holland. And then this flag is because I am English and a lot of my friends and most of my family are English. And the last one is here because, well, that is Australia because I have very good friends from Australia.
My name is Edie King and I come from St Luke's Primary School, and I've chosen this because my dad's from Holland, and I've chosen these because I like poppadoms that are from India, and my family dog is called Kosti and he's from Bulgaria, which is why I've chosen these. And I also like mango chutney from India, so that's why I've done another one of them.
And why this one? In Japanese?
I can't remember that one.
What do you like from Japan?
Oh, it was noodles. And I also like noodles, so I've put Japan down.
Yes.
I chose Holland because my mum's from Holland and my Oma and lots of my family. And I chose Scotland, Ireland and England because my dad is fully Scottish and I was born in England. And I chose Canada because my dad's cousins, they're Canadian. And I chose Brazil because my friend Elizabeth is Brazilian. And there wasn't Philippines, but my friend Rachel is Filipino, so I would have put that on. And I chose India because my friend Anne-Marie is from India too. And I chose China because I'd really like to go to China.
Oh. Yeah.
My mum's from Italy, my dad's from Greece and my stepdad's from Poland, and I would like to go to China and Japan and America for holiday, and then I have a friend that is from Spain.
Start.
Hi, I'm Max and I'm from St John the Baptist School. I chose Philippines for my friend Mark F. I chose from the Philippines, and I chose Japan for sushi, the food I really like. I chose Brazil for one of my favourite footballers, Neymar, and I chose France for one of my other favourite footballers, Griezmann, Anthony Griezmann, and I chose Africa for another one of my favourite footballers, Pierre-Emerick Aubameyang. Bye.
Bye.
Start.
My favourite footballers from Portugal, and I would like to go to Portugal. My family speak Arabic, and so do I. My favourite TV shows from America. I have 3 best friends. One of them's from China, the other one's from Brazil, and the other one's from England. And my favourite food is sushi.
I'm Marina and I go to Balfour Primary School, so I chose these 4 flags. So I chose Ireland because my grandma was Irish. I chose Greek because I'm interested in the Greek legends. I chose the Middle East flag because my great grandma was Egyptian. I chose Italy because I want to learn Italian. And I chose Russia because I just like the patterns on the flag.
St John the Baptist Catholic Primary School, and on my flag I chose England because my parents are both English, and I chose Africa because one of my cousins is from Nigeria. I chose Japan because I really like Japanese food and movies and stuff like that in that region. I picked China because one of my friends comes from China, and I picked Greece because one of my cousins is Greek.
Hello, my name is Frankie and I go to Balfour Primary School. So the first one is Native America, and that's because my cousins are American. And my second one is England because I'm English and loads of my friends and family are English. And third is Greece because I normally go there on my summer holidays. And 4 is France because my other cousins are French and I love it. I love France and I always go there.
Three.
Hello, my name is Nancy from St John the Baptist Catholic Primary School. I chose Scotland because my uncle's from Scotland. I chose Ireland because my 2 friends are Emma and Luda from Ireland. I chose Australia because 2 of my other friends, Mia and Liberty, are from Australia. I chose Greece because I've been there quite a few times. And I chose England because both of my parents are from England.
My name is Morgan and I go to Balfour School. I chose Jamaica because my step-grandma is from
Jamaica. I chose England because nearly my whole family is from England. I chose Spain because my granddad's from Spain. And I chose Greece because it's my favourite food's from Greece.
3.
This is my flag because one of my friends comes from Ghana and my mom comes from Scotland and my dad comes from the Caribbean. And when I was younger, I went to Spain and Greece.